Here we have the Asus MiniPC PN series. This is the 100 model. We have it pre-installed. It's the N100E. 8 gigs of RAM, DDR4, 512 of SSD. I've actually opened it just to make sure the product was inside. As our standard, nice packaging, soft material, the main unit, so we can see that's the Kingston lock. You have an additional lock here, stop the lid from being opened, USB, USB 3, HDMI, USB-C with delivery and display port, and the 2 Ethernets, which are upside down inverted for some strange reason. I have the audio, microphone, front SSD, and you have the power on. And then you have the Windows sticker. Additionally, we have a power charger, which is just plastic bag, standard Mickey Mouse ears, accessory screws, and the VESA mounting bracket to go onto a monitor. So there we go. That's all we have. So we've got the unit out of the box, and I think most people would probably like to see what's inside. So I've undone the screws so they're a little bit loose. This is the rear captive screws, very much like the Intel NUCs, so no fear of them falling off, just a little bit of a wiggle. And interestingly, the bottom, it looks like you could fit an SSD in there, but no way to do it. It seems that maybe that's for the next model up. So inside, M.2 SSD, got a Western Digital brand here, little screw, not much room. Seems to be a fan header, PWW, but of course this has no fan at all. It is completely silent. You can see there's a massive great heatsink grill, and we have one SO-DIMM slot, 8 gigabytes in this model, supplied with quality Samsung RAM, and some little thermal transfer tape there. There's a little PCB. Not much to it. Frame is a little bit plastic, but I don't think that does too much. The weight is quite reasonable. The front, that seems to be, that is, it looks like it's metal, but I think that's a transfer. I don't think it's actual brushed aluminium. It's just an effect, or just a sticker on it. There we go. Oh, I think before I missed that. That's looks like that's the IR blaster, LED activity light. So there we go. That's the rear. The transfer pad seems quite good. It's well positioned. It seems to have an additional heatsink as well. Obviously the vents at the bottom.